My team is delivering options 2 or 3 times faster than in the past. When Wonka came in, I converted 100% more.
So Pierre, what is the story of Respace?
Thank you for the question, Antoine. Since more than a year now, we are transforming offices that were empty into places where you can live the business life. My team actually used a very high number of tools before Wonka. When you guys came in, we drastically simplified the number of tools that we used. Once simplified, it created so much more output. It was through simplification and also through the use of AI that we created so much more impact for our clients. When you have so much tools using, you just cannot give the value that you want to give to your clients because it just goes way too slow and you have so many touch points that it's just impossible to give the right value at the right time. I heard so much about AI, but it was a dream and I couldn't understand concretely how it would work in my company. When you told me how we would work together, what you would do, I understood it directly. And you came in, it was a very smooth process, and then directly it changed. I knew also that I needed to have a guide, an expert, a partner in that. When I met you guys, I knew that I found you, that I found this expert. Now my team is delivering options 2 or 3 times faster than in the past, and that just gave me so much more business and value to my clients. Apart from timing, we also improve the quality of the response through the use of Wonka. My teams with that also feel so much stronger and feel enabled to also concentrate on really client satisfaction. Wonka consolidates in a very secure way, let's say, the power of the different AIs that exist on the market all together. Before that, my teams were using ChatGPT for some things and then Gemini for some things. It was all scattered. Here with Wonka, we are in a secured environment. We have experts with us and we can choose whatever we want. And when Claude is better, we use Claude. When ChatGPT is better, we use ChatGPT. And it's all together in the same environment. Of course, people were sometimes afraid, others were reluctant to use certain tools. But I think it's very simple. Once it works, once it delivers value, then people will use it. And that's what happened, you know. But you were there also to work with my teams, to work with them, to accompany them on how to use the tools, on why, and then, really on the how. And that changed everything. The pain that we have identified on the Belgian market, so the pain for owners and the pain for enterprises, is the same everywhere in Europe and everywhere in the world. We are enthusiastic about creating value. We are going to do that in different countries at a fast pace. And of course, Wonka is going to help us at every stage of the process.
Amazing. Deal.
Thanks, man.